This 2024 K-Z Durango Gold G386FLF is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Norman, Oklahoma, 73072 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Oklahoma City. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new K-Z is 42 feet 0 inches in length and features a BARISTA interior, sleeps 6, slide-out, and 76 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bath and a half, front entertainment, front living area, kitchen island, outdoor kitchen, rear bath. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.